Oh yeah, I've got these little Vynilmations. Is there more? No. I think it's the castle. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this time I'm not going to take too much of your time because I just ordered some Disney pins that I can trade in the park. And I've got them through Vinted for a really nice price. And I've got oh, if you hear something, it's Pelusa and his little kibble. Hi. So I've got these through 3 different people, and it was like, I think 2 months ago, I opened them up, I checked it and I approved so they could get their money. And now I stashed it away and I already forgot what is in it. So for me, it's like also the first time that I see them again because I totally forgot. First I'm going to get is this little cute pink bag. And I really love the packaging and she was so nice. Oh yeah, I've got these little Vynilmations. So as I've told before, I am collecting the Vynilmations and I really love how these look. And I really also love the little mosaic in the ears here. And I think this chicken is just so funny. And I think maybe I will want to trade this one in the park, but I think they're so cute. There's one thing more in here. Don't mind one being upside down, but here are Gaston and the Beast. So I think I've just ordered a whole collection of Beauty and the Beast, but look at Gaston's face and his little chin. This is so funny. So that's it for the first one. Now to the second envelope. Ooh, and this time, I think 5 or 6. Ooh, the first one, again Vynilmation, and this is one from It's a Small World. And I really love these colors. Next one I've got, it's the creepy little, I think the Toy Story baby. But I don't think I'm going to keep this one. And this is for trading, but no, creepy. Next one in here, I think it's the castle, at least one of the towers. You can even see the bricks in the little tower and the clouds on the background. So next one, oh yeah, this is Buzz. And the funny thing is that this one is smaller than the others, but I really love this color combination. Next one, this is Rex. And look at his little teeth. He looks so scared. And the last one in this one, it is one of the little toy soldiers. And I just like it that this one is so green and like even the backside is green. So the last thing is here in the box. And I think I've got 5. Okay. So I really like this one. So this is not a pin, and I think it will be so funny if I could trade this one with one of the cast members and they would wear it on the lanyard. And I think if other people see this, they will be like, what? So that's why I got this one. And next one I got, also a really fun one, Wanna Trade. Again, I really would love to see this one on one of the cast members. And again, happy trading. And then these are a little different and I really like these. So this is the little Disney flag. And I think this one is so cute. And I've got another flag and this one is with Mickey on it. Okay, so just to show you, I've just put them all on this board. And I really like them. It's so many Vynilmation ones. And I am still thinking about which ones I want to take to the park to trade and which one I'm going to keep. I think for sure I'm going to keep these one from Beauty and the Beast because they're like so pretty. I think I also like the It's a Small World and the Castle one, and okay. I think I'm going to keep a lot, but not the creepy baby and also not this chicken. I'm really thinking about which Disney movie it is. I really don't know. A lot of people are asking when are you going back to the park, and I think maybe not this year because there's so many construction going on, so many. And when I'm there, I really want to enjoy everything and don't see all of the walls that are up because of the construction. So I'm not sure if I'm going back this year, but certainly next year. So I really hope you liked this little short video about my new pins. And if you liked it, please push the like button. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, because it helps me out a lot. And hopefully I will see you next time. So this time, no. So